Folks, what we got here is a beautiful 2006 Chevy Trailblazer. Now this one is a unique one. It's got the 5.3 liter V8 in it, folks. That's right, the 5.3 liter. And this thing is loaded up. It's got that beautiful maroon exterior. Open it up. Keyless entry, power windows and locks, memory seats, heated leather, power seats. And this thing is loaded up, folks. Cruise control, power pedals, AM, FM, CD, dual climate controls, full wheel drive, and it has also got a sunroof, folks. That's right, this thing is loaded. Beautiful car, and it's only got a little over 65,000 miles, folks. That's right, you heard me right. A 2006 with 65,000 miles. This thing has been very well taken care of, folks. I can't say enough about this beautiful Trailblazer. This thing will not be here very long. These things are known for room. And of course it's a Chevy. Folks, this is a beautiful 2006 Chevy Trailblazer. Come on down to Country Chevrolet. Take a look at this beautiful and extremely low miles 2006 Chevy Trailblazer today, because it is priced to sell. Won't be here very long, so come down here, check us out. We want to talk to you.